It's always a good idea to name your frame. And what you have to do in order to name it, you could just double click on it here. And I think there's some good naming conventions. If you're in web design, we would use all lower cases and dashes in between words. So I might say, like, what is this going to be? Let's say this is going to be about page, and then I'd put the client name, Lee Yu, and then my last name. Or I could do Lee Yu dash about page dash Mo, whatever order. So that's one way to do it. I could also come and click in it, double click over on this side and name it there as well. Similarly, I can name different items that I put on here. So let's say I'm going to be building this about page and I want to mimic my mimic I want to mimic a menu. And so here I could now click over here and call it menu. And that way I know what it is. Because once I start getting 15 different rectangles on here, it starts to become confusing in our layers if things aren't labeled properly. Now you should go ahead and label your items. And if you've been following along with the tutorials, your frame should look something like this, where you have this top menu bar and it's labeled. We have the text home, we have a rectangle and a circle. And I happen to go over here and name the rectangle and circle based on measurements so I can find them later. So you go ahead and name all of your elements as well. Name them anything that makes sense to you.